Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set Elementor full width layout and stretch column width. This is essential when you want your content to span the entire width of the browser without any margins or spacing, creating a more immersive and modern design for your WordPress site. First, you need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools needed to customize your pages. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages on your website. Find the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This launches the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once Elementor loads, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a menu icon or hamburger icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Page Settings. This opens a panel on the left side of your screen with various options for customizing how your page behaves and appears. Scroll down until you find Page Layout at the bottom of this panel. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Elementor Full Width. This removes the default header and footer, giving you complete control over the page layout. Once you've made this change, click Update to save your settings. This step is particularly important if you're using Elementor Pro, as it unlocks more advanced layout options. Now that your page is set to full width, it's time to adjust your sections to match. Add a new section by clicking the plus icon in the center of the page. Or if you already have a section you want to modify, simply click on its handle at the top. This selects the section and opens its settings in the left panel. With the section selected, go to the Layout tab in the left panel. This tab contains all the settings related to how your section is structured and displayed. Look for the option labeled Content Width. By default, this is usually set to boxed, which means your content will have margins on either side. Click on the drop-down and change it to full width. This will stretch your section to span the entire width of the browser window, removing any side margins and creating a seamless edge-to-edge design. And there you have it. Your Elementor page is now set to full width layout with stretched columns, giving your content maximum visual impact across the entire screen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.